Today, we're talking about Beasley Broadcast. They're a radio station, 99.5 here in Florida. Let's take a listen. It says salsa on the screen. Beasley, you do salsa? Welcome to the newsroom. So, again, it's penny stock week. We're continuing the trend of making money on stocks that are more than a McChicken but less than a Happy Meal. Today, we're talking about ticker BBGI, Beasley Broadcast. Now, they're currently trading at $1.67. They're up 35% today. It's my job to bring the news to you. Let you know about these stocks that are popping off and if they're going to continue to pop or if you should open a put and send it straight down to Putville. Let's take a look. Beasley Broadcast Group is a multi-platform media company. The company is focused on providing advertising and digital marketing solutions across the United States through its radio broadcast and digital operations. This is interesting. It's a different company than the usual tech stocks, biotechs, airlines, and restaurants. We're into radio now. I didn't even know these guys were still relevant, but 35%, very relevant. And what's going on with this? The markets are green today on election day? What's going on? It's election day. I thought they were going to be plummeting. I opened a short and it's not doing good. So here's these button nuts, Beasley Media Group. Now, is this a pump? Is it a dump? Is it a long? Is it a short? What are we doing here? That's what I'm going to take a look at and find out. Because listen, I'm very advanced in this. I've been doing it for over 10 years. I know what I'm doing. All right, they got guys singing here, hair, people laughing, good times, radio stations, all the doodads. Reaching the masses, powering the nation, striving for excellence. This is the Beasley website. It looks like they stole the Beats logo for the headphones from Dr. Dre. I don't know how they got away with that. That's copyright infringement, unless they got some type of deal. So Beasley Broadcast, plus 44% after Q3 beat. They blew it away. They beat expectations. They had a great quarter. Stock skyrocketed. Now, okay, you might not have been in it because who knows about this Beasley person. The only Beasley I know is on the Dallas Cowboys. Actually, he's probably not even playing anymore. I don't even know. But that's the only Beasley I know. These guys, are they going to continue running or is it just an up, a down? The CEO collected his money. He's off to the Bahamas type of deal. We're going to find out. So what I like to do, since I'm a technical trader, I like to look at the technicals. I got Neo eyeballs and I can see the matrix coding in the charts. First thing I do is I look at the chart. Now, looking at this, straight nosedive. It was trading around 10 to 12. Solid foundation in that range. And then it nosedived in mid-2018, and it never turned around. It had little pops and spikes here and there, but never turned around. So the last time it popped was in mid-June. This thing ran from 2 to 5. Now listen, we want to get in stocks that do these pops. We want to get in before. It's very hard to do that unless you're long-term and it happens. Okay, so if you want to get into these stocks to pop, and you're like, how come it doesn't happen to me? It doesn't happen to many people unless you're long. If you're going to be a day trader, swing trader, it's rarely going to ever happen. Now, one thing we can do as day traders is catch it after the run, but we don't want to buy at the top. We want to buy it in the middle if we think it's going up, or wait till it bottoms and buy it and wait for that pop, or wait for it to slowly head back up after all the profit taking has been had. So we got two possible scenarios on which to... I need to get a studio. Okay, so there's two possible directions this stock can go. Now, one, the Eiffel Tower. It could head up, bada bing, bada boom, up to that area. We sell out, let all the Robin Hooders and Weeblers come in, buy at the top, straight down to Putville then. Scenario two, this stock just fizzles out from today on because we have a major gap. Look at the gap here, from $1.30 to $1.65. Major gap zone, this stock may close it. Generally, this is what happens. It closes the gap, goes straight down the Putville, game over. This stock is dead for, I don't know, 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year, and then it might have another pop. So if you want to hold that long and hope good news comes, you can, but this stock over time, it fizzles out. It just slowly goes down the escalator. So BBGI, I'm giving it a bearish signal. I think this stock is going to continue to fizzle out, fall down, close the gap, go straight down to Putville. This is an excellent put position to enter. I don't see it going up. It's a radio station. I mean, they're playing cucaracha on the radio. Salsa dancing. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'm doing a quick analysis on these penny stocks every single day this week, and then we're going back to the normal newsroom and deep dives. Oh, new deep dive tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, by watching this channel, you get a little bit closer to retiring young.